Hey guys, welcome to another video of Garden Obsessions. So today, got some excitement today when we got home. We received a box today from Proven Winners, and we're going to do an unboxing and show you exactly what we've got. So we're pretty excited about it. So let's go ahead and tear into this box real quick.
Super exciting. Here, I'll hold the flap so you can.
Alright, so of course with every Proven Winners order you get the Gardener's Idea book.
Yeah. This is what I was, when we did the flower pillows, this is what I was talking about. There's the catalogs that they send you, and there is so many things in here. Combinations and even landscape ideas. So pretty awesome.
The other thing you get is a Gardening Simplified magazine. It has a bunch of gardening ideas as well for landscapes and stuff like that.
All this is free. You can actually, you don't have to order plants. You can just go ahead on their website and order these.
And you get a brochure with plant care and some other stuff, and of course your order invoice. Let's go ahead and start with the first one here. Alright, and these are all nicely packaged. Always satisfied with the way they're packaged. Alright, so the first thing we got here is called a Lady Godiva orange. Basically a marigold. Absolutely love that color. Got some ideas for this in a container as well.
I have to smell it, guys. No scent. Lady Godiva orange. That is so pretty.
Alright, next thing we got here is a black-eyed Susan vine. This one's called Tangerine Slice Appeal. It's got one little flower opening here, but if you can see that right there, that's exactly what it looks like. And we'll pop some pictures up of what they actually look like as well.
Oh wow, okay. I've been wanting this one since last year. I had one, but it wasn't Proven Winners, and I saw this one in the garden show, and I had to get this one.
Alright, then we have a Supertunia Royal Velvet right here.
It's about to bloom.
And we have another Tangerine Slice Appeal Black-Eyed Susan. And the one thing I didn't know, the cool little thing about it is they have a little bamboo in here already trying to get this thing trellised up, so that's pretty cool.
The flowers are beautiful.
Clean this up just a bit.
So they can see them right here. A little bit of the color.
Alright, next thing we got here is another Supertunia Royal Velvet. That one's got some bloom already. Now these are pretty cool. Angie fell in love with these and wanted these for something.
Oh my goodness, yes.
So this is a Coleus. This is a ColorBlaze chocolate drop. These are pretty awesome. The reason we went with these is they're a little bit more sun tolerant. So we're going to use these somewhere where the sun's actually going to be able to. These are actually going to be able to do well in the sun. Alright, here's another cool Coleus.
Yes.
This one is called ColorBlaze Golden Dreams.
That is beautiful.
Kind of looks like a dragon scale. Again, these are more sun tolerant, so we'll be able to use these where we want to use them. Alright, there was one that I was very, very excited for. That's going to be able to go in the kitchen garden here, and it'll be in a separate container.
That's all he's been talking about.
So this right here is called Sicilian Sunshine Bay Leaf.
It's very pretty.
Absolutely love this. Doesn't really have a smell yet, but we use bay leaf a lot for making some rice.
Yes, rice.
It's a culinary herb. It's going to go nice. We're probably going to make this into, maybe try to do a topiary with it.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at right here.
So
it's perfect for that.
The growth is still green, but it's got a nice golden color. We'll absolutely love this one. So for this one, So the thing with bay leaf, it's a perennial, this one, and it's good. We can bring it inside during the winter and it'll last, you know, forever basically. But this one can actually grow to about 6 to 20 inches tall and wide. So that's probably about this high right here, and about that wide, and that's kind of what we want. So it'll be a nice little
it's beautiful, guys. Yeah.
To the kitchen garden here.
Can't wait to start using that one. Is that the last one?
No, there's 2 more. All right, and then this one.
I forgot that one.
All right, this one's called Superbells Holy Cow.
Oh, wow.
And it's kind of why it says Holy Cow there. It's got a nice little color to it.
That's beautiful.
So we got a nice little, with the next one is we got a nice little container that we're going to put together for you guys later in another video.
Yeah, this one has a yellow throat in there with white, white stripes in there or something like that with pink.
So there's one
magenta.
there's one real thing that I wanted to talk about in this video. Now, Proven Winners comes out with the Proven Harvest line now that they have, and this is called Berried Treasure Red, and this is actually a strawberry.
They're so
and
pretty.
With this strawberry, it has some reddish to pink flowers on it. So we're pretty excited about this. It's completely full sun, 12 to 16 inches tall and wide. But we're very excited to try this out. We got a nice container that we're going to put together for you guys with this one, and we're pretty excited about this one. We got a lot of strawberries going on already, but this I think is gonna do and perform well like we expect it to.
I love that it's really pretty, but you get to actually eat those strawberries. It looks very ornamental, but they're strawberries. So I'm excited to start trying these out and see what they taste like as well. We'll let y'all know.
You can see that there's actually some strawberries already growing in there.
The flower.
Like I said, we'll zoom in on this a little bit more and show you guys exactly what we got, but they're pretty awesome.
I'm happy.
Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this video. We just wanted to do this quick unboxing and show you guys exactly what we got, what we're excited for. We're going to close this video out with a shot of everything that we got so you guys can take a closer look and see what they look like. Never disappointed with these shipments from Proven Winners. The one thing I forgot to mention about Proven Winners, if you get something that's damaged or you don't like what you get, you can always email them, let them know, send them a picture of what you got that was damaged, and they'll happily replace that. And that's from all the testimonials that I've read, and even talking to people from Proven Winners, is they'll happily replace something that's damaged and stuff like that.
Go to Facebook and look for them there. They have a page too, and go and ask them all the questions you want. They are so helpful. They are so nice. So
there's one thing I did want to show you guys. So I found this beauty earlier today.
Tell them why you had to buy it here. This
is the Proven Harvest Amazel Basil. Smells delicious. Smells wonderful. It's like smelling a pizza.
Yeah.
An Italian pizza. So it smells awesome. But this is full sun. This thing we saw it at the garden show, and it was, I mean, this thing was this tall and about that wide.
And that's all you could smell around there.
It scented the whole area in there. But we were excited about getting this. So this is another another plant from their Proven Harvest line, and we have some pretty great ideas to go and put a container together with this stuff, so it's going to be absolutely amazing of what we put together for you guys.
I can smell it already.
This one, unfortunately, you can't find it online anymore. I think they've sold out. They may put some back. I know last year they put some stuff back on there for you to order, but this one's completely gone. If you can find it in your local garden center, I would suggest getting it. This is supposed to be from their new line, like I said, and they've done a lot of years of study to make disease resistant and very long lasting basil. So it's supposed to be pretty good disease resistant. We're going to test that out for you guys, like I said, and see how it actually does. But I mean, we're very excited about this stuff. We're going to put some amazing stuff together for you guys. Again, we're going to close the video out showing you everything that we got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't given this video a like, please give it a like. I can't stress enough, the like helps our videos get spread out there and other people to see them. We love doing these reviews. We absolutely love the Proven Winners line, but we love all plants, and we love to put all kinds of combination stuff in our garden, so we would definitely appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe as well. Hit the bell so you get the notifications. Now that spring is here, we're going to put a couple more videos here and there. We got some lined up already, so I hope you guys enjoy that stuff. You got anything else?
No, I'm just super happy. I'm good. I just want to get out there and start planting already in the front. We got that one going right now for us.
Yep.
The front bed, so.
Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this video. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye guys.